Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust picture settings on your SONY KD-43X TV. First of all, press the quick settings menu, the range button on your remote control, go to the picture mode, and here you can easily change the picture mode on your TV. You can choose the custom mode, photo mode, graphics mode, game mode, or cinema, or standard and vivid mode. So select the mode that you need, and then if you want to go for more picture settings, go to the respective picture settings menu. Here you can also change your picture mode, and you can adjust settings for picture mode. You can change the brightness in this menu by selecting either brightness, contrast, gamma, black level, black adjust, and other settings. And to change the value in this menu, just select once you select the one of the settings, either move the slider to the left to decrease the value of it, or to the right to increase it. Now the same with the color menu. Plus you can also choose the color temperature for your TV, one of the available ones. You can enable or disable live color and adjust this feature. You can also change the clarity here, the motion, and two additional settings. The video signal, here you can enable the HDR mode and change it on your TV. And you can also adjust the color space. And at the very bottom you'll find advanced color adjustments, where you can adjust each color on your TV. And also advanced color temperature, which lets you do the same thing, but with which the color temperature for each color you have on your TV. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.